with my brother and my dog Milo. Milo! Here he is.
It's a 3-minute video,
We're
Gianna,
pretty
just
much
saying.
going for a walk. We're going to this pond over here. We're pretty close.
Gianna, the whole way.
If you can't see over there, that is the pond that we normally would walk to. And that's the one that they're going to.
With my energy drink.
Yep, yeah.
Not my energy drink, but my protein drink. Guess you could see it. Sorry if the lighting's bad right now. Here, I'll cover it with my head. I'll cover it with my head.
So, we'll see you over there. Okay, and we're here at the pond. There's a couple benches. We're sitting on a bench right now. There's bushes pretty much. And then there's a walkway over there. I think we're gonna go that way. There's turtles and fish and
Do you want to zoom in on a fish, Gianna? Or turtle,
let's go see them.
I'm not keeping my energy drink here. It means life to me. It's life and death. Mostly life.
And there's some turtles in here that will put up their head. And you can see them. Don't forget.
Yeah, Milo, don't drink the pond water. It could have been peed in by fish. Can we look at the
looks a little
tadpoles?
blue. You guys could possibly see the tadpoles.
It's very hard. It's
very hard,
Very,
though.
very, very hard. They added little things that make it fizz.
So, we'll hang out here for a little bit.
Hello! That's our bus, Gianna.
That's Tolleson Union High.
No, that's our bus.
We're on Tolleson Union High.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Yes, now we are.
Okay, so let's go
I
sit.
saw turtles for a second.
We'll get back to you when we get home.
See you in a second. Meep. Beautiful lake. What a nice day.
It's a pond.
So what?
We should probably get back over there, and we'll see you when we get home.
Or should we show them there's
No, but the
oh yeah, there's
want to see the other ponds.
you really want to see the other pond?
But
Okay.
don't bother.
That's just a little bit. But I'm vlogging right now. How do you like being a vlog?
Guys, I found a random tire with the bushes when I was walking Milo. It was super weird. So now I'm just gonna pause and we'll see you at the video. Okay, my mom is sleeping, so we're gonna end it
Just
here.
tell them bye.
So bye.